Listen, I know you. You're the guy who cares, the guy who shows up, the guy who gives his whole heart even when she only gives half. And yet, somehow, you're the one who ends up ignored, ghosted, or just a friend. People tell you, nice guys finish last. But the truth is, it's not kindness that pushes you last. It's being too afraid to show the real you, the bold you, the man you actually are. Before I figured this out, I used to be the exact same kind of guy, always trying to be perfect, always available, always the first to care and the last to be chosen. But today, that changes, because I'm going to show you how to stop being the man who gets taken for granted and start being the man who gets respect, desire, and commitment, one-on-one, just you and me. Let's rewrite your story. Point 1. Have a backbone, not a mask. Most men think being nice means being agreeable, smiling even when they're hurt, saying whatever you want, even when it's not what they want. That isn't kindness, that's fear wearing a friendly mask. Women don't fall for masks, they fall for men with a backbone. If something doesn't feel right, speak up. If you disagree, say it. Not to fight, but to show you won't disappear in order to be liked. Confidence isn't loud. Sometimes confidence is simply saying, no, that's not for me. Every time you silence yourself, a part of you dies, and she feels it. But every time you stand firm, she feels a man worth respecting. Point 2. Create space for her to come closer. You can't chase someone into loving you. Affection forced becomes affection lost. Give her room to miss you, room to wonder, room to feel, because desire is born in the space between two people. You're not being distant, you're allowing her emotions to grow. Let her text first sometimes. Let her ask to see you. Let her feel that little rush of excitement. Is he thinking about me? Trust me, mystery is oxygen for attraction. If you fill every moment with attention, she never has a chance to breathe. Point 3. Have a life that doesn't revolve around her. Women don't want to be your purpose. They want to join a man who has one. Build your world, your goals, your ambition, your friends, your hobbies, your grind. When you put a woman above your entire life, she feels the pressure of carrying your happiness. But when she sees you chasing something bigger, improving, progressing, evolving, she thinks, I want to be part of his story. She doesn't want to be the reason you wake up. She wants to be excited that you chose her, even though you could have chosen anything else. Point 4. Know what you will and won't accept. Boundaries aren't walls. They are the doors to your self-respect. If she cancels last minute every time, speak up. If she only texts when she's bored, step back. If she wants all your time but gives none of hers, reevaluate. Every standard you enforce tells her, I value myself. Every standard you ignore tells her, you can treat me however you want. Men who are respected don't get respect by demanding it. They get respect by living like they deserve it. Point 5. Let her earn your care. You give everything too early, your attention, affection, loyalty, before she gives anything back. It's like handing someone the treasure map before they prove they're not a pirate. Let her show effort. Let her show interest. Let her invest. When you give without requiring effort, she thinks the value is low because she never had to work for it. She will cherish what she has earned more than what she was handed. Make her discover your heart. Don't just give it away. Point 6. Calmness is your power. When you worry if she likes you, you start overreacting, overthinking, over-explaining. That nervous energy, she feels it. Instead, be calm, move slow. Smile like you already know you're worth choosing. Not arrogance, just peace, just certainty. Masculine presence isn't loud, it's grounded. A calm man is a powerful man because he trusts himself no matter what happens. She won't admire you because you chase. She will admire you because you don't fear losing her. Point 7. Protect your heart without closing it. Some men shut down emotionally, others open up too fast. The right path, open up slowly and with intention. Share who you are piece by piece. Let her earn the deep parts, your dreams, your fears, your soul. That creates intimacy, that creates connection, that creates a love that grows instead of a love that scares her away. It's not about being distant, it's about being worth discovering. Point 8. If she's not choosing you, walk away. This one is hard, but life changes when you embrace it. If she doesn't choose you, you choose you. The moment you stay where you are not valued, you teach the world. This is all I deserve. Walk away with dignity, not to punish her, but to protect your soul. The right woman won't make you chase her love. She will meet you halfway. You're not here to be overlooked. You're not here to be a backup option. You're not here to be the nice guy who finishes last. You are a man capable of love, but also worthy of respect. Change doesn't happen when a woman chooses you. Change happens when you choose the type of man you will be. So decide today, no more overgiving, no more hiding your truth, no more apologizing for having a backbone. You are done being the guy who hopes for love. You are becoming the man who earns it, and the world, including the right woman, will feel that shift. Take a breath, because this is your turning point, and trust me, she's going to notice.